Luisa, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make an Echinacea Marmalade out of crepe paper. I'm going to start by making the pistils. For this I chose a deep orange color. After you cut them just like I showed you, we're going to twist each section between our fingers. And we'll repeat the process with this bigger piece. And now that we have both of the pieces, we can start assembling our echinacea. We're going to start by first adding the bigger piece to the stem, and then we're going to add the second piece on top of it. But just make sure that you glue it actually at the middle point of the bigger piece. And you want to have the tops of the papers aligned. And now we're going to continue with the center of the flower, the part that resembles a corn cob. If you don't have this kind of decorative scissors, that's okay, you can just use smaller normal scissors. Next, I'm doing some cuts at about 1 centimeter distance from each other. And we want to expand the paper for each of these small pieces. And once we relax the entire piece, we can start gluing it to the pistils. As you saw, we're going to have 3 pieces, just like this one. And we're going to glue them all on top of each other, but as you're going to see soon, we're going to start going down the stem a bit. This is in order to get that corn cob look. If you enjoyed this kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my next crafts. And now we can start working on the petals. Each petal is going to be about 1 centimeter in width. And for each petal, we're going to twist it at the base of it. It doesn't have to be perfect, but this will give it a bit of a natural feel at the end. And after we twist all of them, we're also going to relax the paper a bit at the top. I have an entire playlist dedicated to crepe paper flowers on my channel, so there's something for everybody, and you can use these tutorials to create the perfect bouquet for any season. And now that we are done with assembling the flower, we're going to just fluff it in order to get that perfect echinacea look. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, like the video, and maybe even leave a comment. See you on the next one. Bye!